Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to find your current number that you use on your iPhone. So this video will show you to find the number if you get lost your memorize to number that you use. So to do that, you just need to open the settings, and right after that just scrolling down until you found phone, and you just need to go click them, and there will be showing the number that you currently use on this side, right on the second box. So this will be filled automatically with the card that you insert on your phone. Whenever you change the card, this number will be also changed, so you don't need to worry to find and to remember memorizing your own number or current number that you have on your phone, because you can just check it by this way. So that is for today's tutorial. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe, turn on the notification to find more information, tutorial and anything about iPhone. See you for the next tutorial.